So I'm going to go ahead and actually give you guys the breakdown of the live trade video that you're about to see, the analysis behind it, and why exactly I took the trade and what levels I was watching. So looking at the chart, we see I always mark out key swing points, right? We had a key swing point in here. We had another key swing point here, and as well we have prior swing here. Okay, so this is a very clear area of sensitivity and price respect to these price points. So then I go ahead and I'll draw out these areas. Okay, let me get rid of that. We have these clear points of prior structure. All right, so I know that these areas were sensitive prior. All right, we had one bounce here, price made a lower high, and we double topped over here, and then price broke again. So this is essentially trading something called the rounded retest. So this type of strategy is usually when you have this type of structure break, you look for price to move much lower, and then you want to short the pullback that comes into this level. All right, so rounded retests usually have there's like a little bit of space between the level and the retest. Immediate retest is essentially the retest right after the drop. So if we saw a drop like this, then we see a retest, then the bounce. So I personally like to trade the rounded retest, and this is like one setup that you can implement as well. And yeah, so once price kind of came back into this region, I wanted to go ahead and I put some sub limits there and wanted to go ahead and get short. And as you guys are going to see in the video, I was able to capitalize on this move down. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead, subscribe. Also, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this strategy and what your thoughts are on this trade.